In Bradley Tusk, CEO of Tusk Venture Partners, who is also an early investor in Coinbase, but no longer holds a stake in the company. Bradley, always good to see you. Thanks so much for joining us. I mean, to what level was this clampdown expected? Because a 6% decline in light of it in Bitcoin is not that much.
Right. The actual decline, I was just thinking that too when you showed it. I'm like, it's not really that bad. So look, I wasn't expecting China one day just to wake up and say, no more crypto. But if you've been following what China's been doing for at least the last 6 months with a wide variety of technologies, tech startups, and practices, they have really been consolidating power. And if you think about what crypto really is, it's a sovereignless currency that's meant to sort of, supersede a central bank and a central currency. And if anyone would be afraid of the competition and power vacuum that could cause, it's China.
Interestingly, Bradley, and China's not really the perfect example, maybe they would have been 20, 30 years ago, but you have one country like El Salvador that's kind of against the dollar's dominance, that embraces crypto, and another that's also against the dollar's dominance, that is banning it. Now, I guess the difference there as well is that China wants its own currency to gain traction, and El Salvador's probably given up on that hope. But there's quite an interesting dichotomy there.
Yeah, I mean, look, obviously two countries in two different places in life, but I think in El Salvador, they're looking just for something to have, more economic stability, get things going, give people a little more confidence in some kind of currency that they're using. Whereas in China, I think they're looking at the U.S. and seeing people like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos or Mark Zuckerberg, who are incredibly wealthy and powerful, and they don't want those people to emerge. That's why you've seen crackdowns on a lot of the major tech companies and platforms. It's why you've seen this ban on crypto. They're looking at this over a much longer period of time than we tend to look at things. And their question is, are we inadvertently enabling anyone to ultimately challenge our power? They concluded yes, and that has, to me, speaks for all of the different countries.